Hey, what's up YouTube? As promised, I'll be giving you the lowdown on how to do kick-ass streams for social media, so stick around to find out more. So welcome to today's episode. So as I said, over the next few videos, I'll be showing you how to do kick-ass streams, but literally little money with things you'd likely have as a DJ. So you're being a eager beaver with the world currently on a lockdown due to the coronavirus. And this just applies in general, but you're looking to live stream your music to the world, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do it in this quick and dirty method. Okay, so here's what you need to get this quick and dirty DJ streaming setup going. So you're gonna need one iRig. You can pick these up off eBay between £3 and £4. They're not expensive and they're a really useful tool for every single DJ to have. I picked up both mine at a trade show about 2, maybe 3 years ago for free. It was a cheeky little, it was in like a trade show bag, and I was like, sweet. And I've used mine on streams regularly at gigs when I don't want to take my full streaming rig. Then you're gonna need an RCA to 1/4 inch jack, and it has to be an RCA to 1/4 inch. You can't be, say, an XLR to 1/4 inch, just for the simple fact that you don't want to interfere with the master output. You want to take the record output. Then obviously you literally just need your smartphone. That's what's wonderful about this. It is so simple. Oh, and you need something to balance it up against, which, like a mobile phone, like a mic stand. Literally, I put my phone into a mic clip and it fits. So winner. So this is literally as simple as it gets. Simply plug the RCA to jack cable, the RCA end into the record out of your DJ mixer. If you have a session out, that will also be fine. Then you want to take the jack end and plug that into your iRig. Then your iRig's TRS connector, or the mini jack connector, will literally go into your phone, and then what do you know? Boom! Streaming. So obviously you'll have to pick a service of your choice, i.e. Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, YouTube Live, obviously, that you want to use. But other than that, that's pretty much the basics of how to get it quick and dirty. Now, as I said, this is a quick and dirty setup, which for me, that isn't how I stream. If you've ever seen how I stream, it's a bit smoother, it looks considerably nicer. And in the next video, I'll be showing you my streaming rig and how I do streaming, as well as using overlays, and you'll be surprised that it doesn't cost as much as you think it's going to. So other than that, I've been Santio Silvano, you've been beautiful, I'll see you in the next video. Oh dear, cut to the title card.